As we said before, WCF is fairly configuration heavy, and this also extends to the client application. If we double-click our app config, we'll notice there's a bunch of configuration options that are automatically added to our app config as soon as we create a service reference to a WCF service. There's two main configuration items here. There's the bindings. Binding is a way of defining the transport, encoding, and protocol that's used to communicate with the server. In this case, we're using the basic HTTP binding, which allows us to use SOAP over HTTP. The other configuration is an endpoint. This defines exactly how we're going to communicate with the server, what address the server can send and receive data from. You'll notice here we have the address that we used to add the service reference to the project. This is also the address that's used by the default pun client constructor. Both of these configuration options are added to the app config for us, but if we ever need to change or modify these settings, we would do this here. This is particularly important when you're deploying an application to a test or a production environment, and you might need to talk to a different web service.